Dear friends, now we need to create this building plan. So it is now I'm going to start from here. From this point I'm going to start. So the length of this line, the whole length is, it has given here 34 feet. So I'm selecting line command and I'm clicking here and I'm going to the rightwards 32 feet. Press enter. See, I have a line of 34 feet. Now I need to go up. So the overall length is 34 feet 10.5 inches. So we need to go to the top here. We need to reach here. So that I am giving the value as 34 feet 10.5 inches. Press enter. And now I have reached here. Now I need to go leftwards. Now I need to reach here. So for that again we need to give this 32 feet. So show the direction, give the value 32 feet. Press enter and you need to just join these 2 points so that a rectangle will be created like this. So see here it has given 9 inches. See, it has given 9 inches the thickness of this wall. So but it is 9 inches. So select this offset command and give the value 9 inches and press enter. Now select this line and make offset to inner. Selecting and making offset to inner side, so that the wall will be created with 9 inches. We need to create a door to the center of this length. See, to the center of this length we need to create a door element here. Give the command PO and press enter. Now place the point to the middle of this line so that you can place a door to the middle. So I am putting this here point. While creating civil drawings, the civil engineers mostly use blocks. See, we have already discussed about blocks, right? So they will create mostly blocks. So what type of elements we can create blocks? See, a block item 1 here, and there is a door 2, and there is a 3, 4, and like that there are multiple doors in a building, right? So repeatedly we need to create a door and we need to make copy here and we need to rotate. So all these process is time taking. So for that reason, so they will create this door item into block and they will insert this block item into those drawing files and they will insert to the location where they need. So like that they will create the items of identical items of multiple copies. So they will create those items into blocks. So in the similar manner they will create each and every item. See, there are door items, there are windows, there are walls, and there are different types of lines. So in building there are different categories are there. So in some other drawings there are some pillows, there are some cots, and there are some toilets, and there are some kitchen items. So in those cases they will create those all items in layers also. So once check the video of layers in blocks how they are creating. So to create with less time these building plans, to complete or to finish creating these building plans, we need to create some of the items into blocks and some of the items into layers so that our drawing will be properly created. And if you want, you can also hide the particular items and you can show the needed items. So like that you can practice these blocks and layers also. I am not creating, I am just explaining you. So now it has given here so MD for main door. So it has given MD, so it is main door. So the length is 4 feet it has given. And now see here I have put a point over here. Now so the total length is 4 feet. So I am drawing half of this, half to the left and half to the bottom, half to the right. So now what should I do? I am giving the value 2 feet only. So I have drawn 2 feet to the left and again I am selecting line command, or you can also mirror this line to the other side. It's your wish. And now I am creating a line from this point to the rightwards. Again I am giving 2 feet. So the total length will become 4 feet. So now see, this is our line. And now what should we do? From this end point, see, from the end of this point, so the length is also similar it is. So I think, so I am drawing a line command from this end point to top. It would be 4 feet and press enter. So now what should I do? I am selecting a circle command, and now I am creating a circle from this point to this. So I am just joining. Now remove the unwanted parts, give the command tr and press couple of times enter, and now delete the unwanted items. See, now this is my door element. Now I am drawing line to join these two. Now we have created this, and at the same time, so the thickness here is, so the inner thickness, the inner wall thickness is different from the outer wall thickness. See, the inner wall thickness it has given here. See, it is 6 inches. It has given the inner wall thickness is 6 inches. So for that reason we need to make offset this to 6 feet to right hand side. Now what should I do? I am selecting offset and giving the value 6 inches. Press enter. Select both of these lines. So first make this line offset to right and offset to right. Now again select line command and join these two. So now see, this is our door item, and I am moving this point to somewhere. I am moving to here. Now I am removing the unwanted where. I am moving to here. Now I am removing the unwanted thing by giving the command tr and press couple of times enter. Remove these two and remove. So this is the door item. There is a window item here. See, there is a window here. So from here to the distance from here to here it has given. So the distance is 3 feet 6 inches and the window size of the window is 5 feet. Now what should we do? I am selecting this point and I am putting over here. I am putting here the point, and now what should we do? I am moving this point to leftwards. Give the command M and press enter. 6 inches. So now I am moving to the left 3 feet 6 inches and press enter. Now I got here. Now I am drawing a line here and I am making offset. Now we need to make offset this line to the leftwards 5 inches, 5 feet. So I am going into this offset command and giving the value 5 feet. Press enter, select this line and make offset to left. So that see, it will be created. I am moving this point to somewhere. Now I need to draw a line to the middle of this. So selecting line command again. See, I am drawing a line to the middle of this thing. I am again selecting offset and giving the value 1.5 inches. Giving the value 1.8 inches, press enter and select this line and make offset to top and make offset to bottom. And now remove this middle line. So from here to here, see, there is 2 feet distance. From here to here there is a 2 feet distance, and at the same time a window is there here, and I am selecting. So now I am moving this point to top. Use the command M and press enter. Select this point and press enter. Select this as the base point and I am moving to top 2 feet. Press enter. Now I am selecting this window, making copy. Press enter. Select this as the base point and copy to here. And now I am rotating this. Selecting and giving the command R1 and press enter. Select this as the base point and rotate this window to 90 degrees. It will be appearing like this. And now select this window and give the command M and press enter. Select this as the base point and now click here. So a window item I got here also. A room, bedroom size has given here 13 feet 6 inches. It is the length, and it is 10 feet 0 inches is the width. So the length of this room size is 13.6. See, 13 feet 6 inches. Now how much of length? 13 feet 6 inches. Now give the command M and press enter. Select this point. Press enter. Select this as the base point and move this point rightwards with a distance of 13 feet 6 inches. Press enter. Now we need to draw a line from here to the bottom, so because the size of this width is 10 feet. So I am selecting line command, and from this point I am drawing a line downwards. So the value 10 feet 0 inches. Press enter. Now I got a line here, and we need to add this size also because there is a room here, so which is completed here. So first we need to draw this toilet room, and we need to draw, so because this bedroom is calculated from here, so this is the width of the room and this is the length of the room. So we haven't created this toilet right now, so I need to add this width also. So this is 4 feet. So now I am again going down to 4 feet and press enter. Now I need to join these lines, and see, the same line should be lengthened here also. So the same line is here to the rightwards. So now I am drawing a line from here to here. I am just joining these lines. Now what happened? There is a thickness here. It has given 6 inches. Now go to offset, view the value 6 inches, and press enter. Select this line inches line and make offset to the rightwards. Make offset to the rightwards all the lines. See, now we have created this figure. Now what should we do? Now we will create this toilet room. So now I am moving this point to here. So we need to move this point to this much of length, 9 feet 0 inches. So give the command M, or you can also select from here also. Select this and select this point, press enter, select this as the base point, and move this point rightwards to 9 feet 0 inches. Press enter. Now see, I am here. Now I need to draw a line from this point to downwards of width 4 feet. Now I am drawing a line command, and I am drawing a line. So from here, now I am drawing downwards 4 feet and press enter. So I have created this, and now I need to join these lines. Now again I need to make offset this also, which is of 6 inches. Again go to offset and give the value 6 feet 6 inches. Press enter, select this line and make offset to rightwards, and select this and make offset to downwards. Now join these two lines. Only the main door size is 4 feet, but the door item has given here, so it is the inner door size 3 feet, and the size of the door of these toilets are 2 feet and 6 inches only. At the same time, I need to draw a line to here also. I am drawing line of length, the same length it would be 2 feet 6 inches. Press enter. Now select the circle command, and from this point, so we need to just join these points. So a door element will be created, and now remove the unwanted things, and we need to join this with line. See, these two we need to join with line. Remove this. So now see, this is a door here also. So now what should we do? I am putting a point here. Now I am moving this point to leftwards as this much, 8 feet 9 inches. Now select this move command, select this point, press enter, select this as the base point, and moving to the leftwards 8 feet 9 inches. Press enter. And now we need to draw a line from here to a width of 4 feet similar. So 4 feet. Now join these two and give the offset of 6 inches. Press enter, select this line and make offset to the left. See, we have created. Now in the similar way we need to create. So we have created double lines here. You can remove one line. So no need of these lines. Now again I am drawing a line from here. This point I am drawing a line of size, the same size, 2 feet 6 inches only. 2 feet 6 inches. Press enter. Select circle command, and from this point we need to just join this circle and remove the unwanted thing. Now join these two with line, and again remove the unwanted things and just join. Now there is a door item here also of size 3 3 feet. So I am moving this to downwards. Now I need to draw a line from this point to top. The size is 3 feet. Press enter. Now select circle command, and from this point you just need to draw a circle which meets this line. I think it is large. So I am drawing a line from here. The length is 3 feet and press enter. And selecting circle command and drawing a circle from here and joining these two. Removing the unwanted things. So give the command tr and press enter 2 times. And see, we need these 2 doors. So because the size is different, so I am removing this also. I don't need this and this and this also. Now join these two with line. So I think, or you can also, now there is a door item to the left hand side also, and selecting this door element and give the command mi and select this as the mirror line and press enter. Now a door item will be created to the opposite side also. Now see, we have created all the doors. Now these are the elements. So there is a window element. So we have created 2 windows only. So there is a window here also. There is a window here which is at a distance of 2 feet. So now I am taking this point to here, to I am setting here, to I am setting here, and moving this point, give the command M and press enter, select this point and press enter. Select this and move this downwards to 2 feet and press enter. Now I got here a point, and now I am creating window again. I am making copy this window and give the command C1 and press enter. Select this. So this point as the base point and put it here. So I have created, and now there is a window element here also. 2 feet 6 inches at a distance of 2 feet 6 inches. Press enter, select this and press enter. I am moving to top of distance 2 feet 6 inches. Press enter. Now again I am selecting this window and give the command C1 and press enter. Select this as the base point and move to here. So a window item has created here also. So we need to create that window also. So for that reason, again I am moving this point to here and going to move command and select this point and move this to 2 feet 6 inches. Press enter. Now again select this window, make a copy, select this point as the base point, see this point as the base point and move it to here. So a window item has created here also. And now there are ventilators here. So V for ventilator. The size of this ventilator is 3 feet. So where to place these ventilators? So once check. So see, the ventilator from here it has given. So the size of this, so it is at a distance of 2 feet, and the size of this here also there is a window of 3. So there is a 3 feet window here which is at a distance of 2 feet. But we don't know this size. So first we need to make sure this size. So there is a length here 9 feet 0 inches. So first I need to create that. So I am selecting this and I am putting a point here. Now moving this point to top, a distance of 9 feet 0 inches. 9 feet 0 inches, press enter. Selecting this point and give the command M and press enter. Select and move this top to 9 feet 0 inches and press enter. Now I need to draw a line of length. See here 9 feet 6 inches it has given. So from here I am drawing a line of 9 feet 6 inches and press enter. Now I got a line. Now I need to make off, and now see, just join these two lines. So now I got this size also. So now what should we do? So we need to place a ventilator to the middle of this line. So we need to place a ventilator. So for that I am drawing a line. I am drawing a line from here. So I am drawing to the downwards from here to here. I am drawing a line, and I am putting a point to the center of this. I am putting this point to the center of this line, and now I am drawing a line from here. Now I am making offset So because it is the ventilator size is 3 feet. Now I am making offset. So because it is the ventilator size is 3 feet. So I am selecting offset and giving the value 3 feet and press enter. So not 3 feet. We need to give half of this 1.5 feet and press enter. And select this line and make offset to left and make offset this line to right also. So now I got the size of this ventilator. Now I need to draw a line middle of this. So selecting line and drawing a line to the middle. And now again we need to make offset this line also. So select offset and view the value 1 inch and press enter. Select this line and make offset to top and make offset to bottom also. So giving the value 1.5 inches and press enter. Select this line and make offset to top and bottom and remove the center line. So now the ventilator is getting this. Remove the middle line also. So this is our ventilator. And now I am making copy this ventilators. So selecting and making copy, CO and press enter. Select this point as the base point and just select this point. So now see, a ventilator has created here also, and there is a ventilator. So to the middle of this line we need to set this ventilator. So I am selecting line command again. I am drawing a line here and I am putting this point to the middle of this line, and again I am selecting this ventilator, making copy and selecting this as the midpoint and putting it here. So now see, I have created a ventilator here also, and now there is a ventilator here. So again we need to draw a line, and now there is a ventilator here. So again we need to draw a line from here to here. Move this point to the center of this line. Again copy this ventilator and select this midpoint and put it. So yes, the ventilator is also created. Now our task is to create. So there is a window here also. We forgot to draw. Now I am moving this point to here, and I am moving this point downwards, which is of 2 feet. So select this move and select this as the base point and move downwards to 2 feet and press enter. Now there is a size of window 3 feet window is there here, and 3 feet window is there here, and see the ventilator is also 3 feet. So we can make a copy of that ventilator as a window. So selecting ventilator, giving the CO and press enter, select this as the base point and put it over here. Now we need to rotate this ventilator. So give the command R1 and press enter. Select this ventilator and press enter. Select this as the base point and just rotate to 90 degrees. So now again select this and give the command M and press enter. Select this as the base point and put it over here. Of size 3 feet only. So because the ventilator size and this also it is similar, right? So now somewhat we have completed, and I am removing the unwanted thing. I am removing each and everything what I don't need inside here. See, there are steps. We need to go up here and we need to go to straight and we need to go rightwards. So these are the steps and we need to create that, but the dimensions haven't given here. So for that what should we do? I am drawing a line here. So for that what should we do? I am drawing a line here. From here to here I am drawing a line, and I am drawing again line from the center point of this line to here. See, I am just joining this line here, and now so half we need to make offset to the top and half we need to make offset to the bottom. So I am giving some 1.5 feet and press enter. Select this line and make offset to the bottom. So I am giving some 1.5 feet and press enter. Select this line and make offset to top and make offset to bottom. So I am just drawing a line from here. Some dimensions I haven't given in the drawing, so I am assuming those dimensions I am drawing and removing these things, and I am removing this also. Remove the internal line. Select this and move to 1 feet again. So I think this is the size, and I am drawing a line to here to here. We need to draw a line to the top also. See, and now I am removing the internal things. So I don't need this and I don't need Yeah, we need this, I think. I am removing this line, so we need to give some use value of 1.5 inches. Press enter, select this line and make offset to top. So we need to give some use value of 1.5 inches. Press enter, select this line and make offset to top and make offset to bottom. So now we can make offset to inner only. So I am making offset to inner. So I am joining these two lines, and there is a distance from here to here as in given. So I am just assuming this, and I am moving this point to, and again I am moving this point. Press enter, select this and move to leftwards 6 inches and press enter. So I am joining a line to here and remove the unwanted things. So I don't need this, and I don't need this, I don't need this also. So now check. So I need this, I don't need this, and I need to remove the internal things and this. Now see, and there is number of stairs here. So number of steps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 steps are there. Now what should we do? I am dividing this line into 8. So give the command div for divide and press enter, select this line and press enter and enter the number of segments as 8 and press enter. So now see, so we need to create 8 steps equally. So for that reason I am dividing the line into 8 segments. See, I got 8 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 steps I got. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 steps are there from here to here. Now again I need to divide this line into 7. So again go to command line and use the command div for divide and press enter. Select this line and press enter. Enter number of segments as 7 and press enter. Use the command div and press enter. Select this outer line and press enter. Select this line and enter the number of segments as 7 and press enter. And now join these lines. See, I am just joining these lines with reference to the points created. Now I have created, and now I need to divide, so I don't need the whole line, but I am creating again line on this. Use the command div and press enter. Select this line, so the second line, press enter. Enter the number of segments as 4 and press enter. So it has created into, I am joining just. See, equally it has divided and it will make 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. So now you can delete the reference points from here. We don't need that points, I think. So now see. So this is the actual plan, and now there is no hatching here, but we can create a hatch inside. I am deleting this point also, so no use of this point now. So now I am going into this hatch and selecting the internal parts. Plans is of hatch, so with concrete or some brick type of hatch will be there. So it is the brick type of hatch. So I am giving the least value. If you give the least value, so the hatch will be appearing very good. So for that reason I am selecting a single line text and typing as, so the inside it is toilet, and I am copying this item and I am editing this to the size 9 feet 0 inches. So to the 4 feet 0 inches. So this is the size of this toilet, and putting to center. And now again this toilet and this text I need to make a copy by holding control or give the command C1 and press enter, select this and make a copy to here, and to make a copy here also. Wherever you need you can make a copy, and then you can edit that. See, now this is a bedroom, or we can call it as children's bedroom. So I am giving C bedroom. C bedroom for children's bedroom. And the size of this is 13 feet. C bedroom for children's bedroom. And the size of this is 13 feet 6 inches by 10 feet 0 inches. So see, this is the size of the children's room. And now this is the size of master bedroom. So the size is master bedroom here, or you can also interchange this. So this is the master bedroom and this is the children's bedroom. So as your wish. And the size of this room is 10 feet 0 inches. 16 feet 6 inches by 10 feet 10 inches. 10 feet 0 inches. So now see, this is the size of the room. And now there is a room here which is family room. Now see, we have created the text also, and there are door items and windows. So there is a VVV here. So and there are doors also, door 1, door 2, door 3, like that. So I am putting here a door element. I am making copy to here, and I am editing this as D, and I am putting it to center. So it is door, or we can also keep it as M dot D because it is main door, right? So it is the main door, and I am making copy to here also, to here and here. So wherever you need, you can put it over here. And now this is some door. You can also give the value also D2. This is the door 2 and this is also door 2. D2 I am giving. And this is dress door 2. D2 I am giving. And this is dress or dressing room. You can also give as dress room or dressing room here, or dressing table also you can put here. Here also I am typing dress as dressing room. And now this also I am giving this as D1 as door 1, and I am giving this as D1 again door 1. And similarly I am making copy this door and I am putting here, and I am making copy this item to here also, and here and here. See, there are ventilators here and there are windows here. So for that we need to copy this here. So this is a window and this is also a window. We have created each and everything, and we need to put the direction here. So see, from where to where the steps are. So I am just drawing a line from here. From this center point I am just drawing a line to this center point, and I am putting it here, and I am showing the arrow marks, just drawing a line with some inclination and making mirror that line, selecting line and selecting a mirror line, press enter. See, so I need to go from here to here. I need to go to top. So see, now our task is to give the dimensions. So once check how much to give. 0.2 in feet, 0.2 in feet and 0.5 feet. Okay, set current close. So now see, it is very reasonable. So like that we need to give the dimension now. and I need to select this size of this ventilator and putting it over here, and there is a overall size of from here to here I need to put here. And now I need to represent this dimension from here to here, from here to here I think, and from here to here also there is a dimension of 2 feet, and now there is a dimension from here to here, so giving this also the size of this. So like that we need to create the dimensioning also for each and everything we need to represent. So from here to here, so it is this much. So see, almost we have given each and every dimensioning also. So like that we need to create this type of complicated building plans. There are dimensions here also. So from here to here and from here. So these are somewhat complicated drawings of building plans. So it takes some time. Now you can also apply some colors to windows, to ventilators, to doors, to the text. So whatever you need, you can also apply colors so that it will be appearing very good.